Hello students, today you will be taking your selection test on Women in Aviation. I am going to read the questions and answer choices to you. I will only leave a few seconds between each question, so you will need to click pause so that you can answer each question carefully. If you need to hear a question or answer choice again, you can adjust the video accordingly and play each question and answer choice as often as you need. Remember to close all unnecessary tabs and mute your tab for our meet so that you can concentrate on your test. Don't forget to use your book. Good luck, kiddos. Let's begin. The authors wrote Women in Aviation to show how aviation regulations have made piloting safer, describe how difficult it was for women to become pilots, inform readers of the lives of the first women aviators, explain the process of becoming a female pilot. Press pause to select your answer. Which two statements describe the author's organizational pattern in the text? The text opens by providing examples of several early women aviators. The text is organized into small biographical stories of Bessie Coleman and other women aviators. The text mostly includes a chronological biography of Bessie Coleman. The text is organized into chronological order showing the advancements of women in aviation. The text compares and contrasts Bessie Coleman to other women aviators. Press pause to select your answer. Number 3. The phrase in paragraph 5 that helps the reader understand the meaning of the word inundate is, after passing her pilot's test easily, with questions, fired back answers, with self-confidence. Press pause to select your answer. Select the button to match each statement with the correct or incorrect verb tense use. Sophie Blankard makes history in 1805 with her first solo balloon flight. According to our passage, is this correct or incorrect verb tense? Catherine Wright was not a pilot, but she does support her brother's aviation efforts. According to our passage, is the verb tense in this statement correct or incorrect? French woman Raymonde Laroche was the first female to become a licensed pilot. According to our passage, is the verb tense correct or incorrect in this statement? The first American woman to earn her pilot's license was Harriet Quimby. According to our passage, is this verb tense correct or incorrect for this sentence? Amelia Earhart commented on how the newspapers criticizes women harshly for every mishap. Is the verb tense correct or incorrect for this statement? Press pause to select your answers. Several of Bessie's accomplishments made significant contributions toward earning her pilot license. This shows that the list that shows the events in chronological order is: set her goal to become a pilot, learned French and saved money, graduated from high school. Set her goal to become a pilot. Learned French and saved money. Next one. Graduated from high school. Learned French and saved money. Set her goal to become a pilot. Set her goal to become a pilot. Graduated from high school. Learned French and saved money. Press pause to select your answer. Which sentence best expresses the primary reason Bessie Coleman wanted to start a flying school? She wanted to help other African Americans become pilots. She wanted to prove that women and African Americans could become excellent pilots. She wanted to own her own aviation business. She wanted to give flying exhibitions and aviation lectures. Press pause to select your answer. Question 7. Racial prejudice was not restrictive in France. Which information from the text supports this statement? The aircraft from France and Germany were among the world's best. European leaders valued national aviation programs. World War I air battles were publicized in American newspapers. Eugene Jacques Bullard was a well-decorated pilot in the French Lafayette Flying Corps. Press pause to select your answer. Which of the following statements best explains the author's purpose in writing the text? To explain the education and training women must complete in order to earn a pilot's license. To entertain readers with the exciting lives of famous early women aviators and their daredevil flying maneuvers. To inform readers with a biography of the first African American to become a pilot. To describe the courage and determination it took women in the early 1900s to overcome obstacles and become pilots. Press pause to select your answer. The list that correctly identifies each woman with her aviator accomplishment is Aeronaut of the Empire, Sophie Blanchard. First woman pilot, Harriet Quimby. Most famous female pilot, Amelia Earhart. First female pilot, Raymond LaRoche. First American woman pilot, Harriet Quimby. Most famous female pilot, Amelia Earhart. Sorry, guys. No, it's clicking. Okay, first woman pilot, Sophie Blanchard. First African American female pilot, Bessie Coleman. Aeronaut of the Empire, Raymond de la Roche. Last one. First woman pilot, Raymond de la Roche. First American woman pilot, Harriet Quimby. Most famous female pilot, Bessie Coleman. Press pause to select your answer. The word exhibition is defined as an organized presentation or show. Which event could be described as an exhibition? In 1805, Sophie Blanchard made a balloon flight by herself for the first time. In 1911, Harriet Quimby was the first woman to earn a pilot's license. In World War I, Eugene Jack Bullard became the first African American to fly a combat airplane. In 1921, Bessie Coleman became the first African American female to become an aviator. Press pause to select your answer. This is your essay question. What kind of encouragement did Bessie Coleman receive from others, and what was the outcome? Use text evidence in your response. So please go back to the passage, go back to the text, and find evidence to prove your response. What kind of encouragement did Bessie Coleman receive from others? And then answer, and what was the outcome? Press pause to type in your response. Number 12, we've made it to the end, kiddos. Explain the key idea of paragraph 20. Use evidence from the text to support your response. Okay. Explain the key idea of paragraph 20, meaning you need to go to paragraph 20 and use evidence from the text to support your response. All right, kiddos, press pause and finish your test. If you need to go back and fill in any questions you might have left blank, go ahead and do so, and you can, of course, adjust this video accordingly. Good luck, kiddos.